MBL shit. Spider.
Dog food, dog food. I was hitting licks way up on Avenue. Bitch, I got the sauce, bitch, I got the juice. When it comes to money, bitch, you snooze, you lose. And I'm in the coupe, and this bitch blue. She ain't see me pull up, so she thought I flew. Man, I wouldn't cuff her if he only knew. She was tryna fucking suck the whole crew. Damn, this pussy nigga got the fucking blues. Tryna tell these crackers all of our fucking news. I know you miss your dog, but you gon' see him fucking soon. I was on the curve, I was selling word. Nigga, we want beef, so what's the word? Nigga, I want it first, so I'm early bird. They ain't from here, they from over there. When I pop out, all them bitches stop and stare. They be like, who that little nigga with the red hair? Who that little kissy swag, bitch, you just can't compare. If you can't stamp, you need to sit your ass in the chair. Bumpy ass puss, I told her hoe she needs some fucking nut. And I stayed with a Jimmy, I can't fuck a whole bell. Brain fire clever, I can't fucking date her. I'm chasing after paper, nigga, it's not later. My face good gator, I don't fuck with haters. You gon' meet your maker, I used to stay in trailers. I stay ducking raiders, I just bought a laser. I'm ballin' like a pacer, I should be a mayor. My teeth go Laker, I'll put you in a baker. Dog food, dog food. I was hitting licks way up on Avenue. Bitch, I got the sauce, bitch, I got the juice. When it comes to money, bitch, you snooze, you lose.